Okay, good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us for this special sharing session on a initiative that we have taken and extended with the National University of Singapore School of Computing and the Center for Nurturing Computing Excellence. So today, I'm joined by two guests in this sharing session. First, we have with us Professor Tan Santek, Director of the SENCE program at Center at NUS, as well as a professor at the School of Computing. So he'll be sharing with us in more detail on the exciting new programs that are coming up that will give you many more opportunities. And then the other person we have with us is none other than our own International Junior Honor Society Global Student Leadership Council member from Brazil, Rahaili Machado. Okay, so let me invite Professor Tan to share with us the exciting news on what we are able to offer to our partnership with SENCE. Professor Tan?
Right, good morning, everybody. Thank you, Henry, for the introduction. Yeah, as Henry is saying, I'm the director of the center, SENCE, which is standing for Center for Nurturing Computing Excellence. This is the team together with me in the center. We are all teaching staff or technical staff at School of Computing. And we have an admin assistant who is helping us to do with all the admin works. The courses that we are going to discuss today are all developed by this group of people. Some of those are actually courses that we conduct in School of Computing. I'm a director until end of June because I'm stepping down, retiring. So Stephen Halim, Professor Stephen Halim, will take over as a director, and Dr. Darren Le will become the deputy director. So SENCE was established in early 2020, and one of the mission is educating students of all ages in the fundamentals of computational thinking, introductory programming methodology, data structures, and algorithm. And this is all in the competitive programming pathway. And this is just one of the mission that we have. But today's the focus is about competitive programming. So I will concentrate on this pathway. So this is a pathway that leads students through to competitive programming. And of course, we have others pathway like AI, we have web application pathway, and so on. So, but today, as we say, we are going to concentrate on this pathway that introduce computational thinking and problem solving, introductory programming with C and other core curriculum. Basically, there are three of them. So the first one is called CS0, which introduces fundamentals of programming or computing. And the modules is called computational thinking and problem solving. So we introduce basic concept about computing, helping students who take this course to learn how to do computational problem solving. And then you advance yourself to CS1. This is programming methodology with C. So basically, we introduce the fundamental concept about programming, and then use C as a tool to practice and to apply what they learn. And why do we use C? Because in most of the competitive programming contexts, people are using either C or C++. So this is a good introductory language. And then you should go and advance to CS2, learning some advanced data structures and algorithm. All this will prepare yourself to at least be able to participate in what we call NOI, which will be introduced later. For each of these courses, we are going to issue certificates of participation, certificate of proficiency, certificate of merit, and most importantly, certificate of distinction. So this is issued based on the performance of the student after taking the course. During the contest, the final contest of the course, if you score up to certain standard, you will be awarded different category of certificate. And we also use these courses to prepare you for participating in NOI, the National Olympiad of Informatics. So the one thing to mention is that we will prepare you well so that you will at least be able to qualify for the on-site NOI by participating in the online prelim contest. Yeah, so without this, some students will actually score 0 marks. But with this preparation, after you have done CS0, CS1, and CS2, you will be at least able to qualify for the on-site NOI, where you will be awarded medals based on the standard that are achieved by the Singapore students. So what it means is that if the Singapore student require, let's say, 300 marks to get an gold medal, and you can achieve 300 marks, you will be awarded a gold medal also. So the medal award will be based on or tied to the result achieved by the Singaporean student in NOI. So what is so good about winning medals in National Olympiad in Informatics NOI? The idea is that when you are applying to get admission to NUS School of Computing for your undergraduate study, this medal that you win will help you to gain some special consideration. And this is applicable to Singaporean students and overseas students. For example, if you win a gold, silver, or bronze medal in International Olympiad in Informatics, that's IOI, this is one level higher than NOI. You will most likely get an automatic admission, and some cases might come with a scholarship for you to join us in School of Computing. Right. And if you win the gold or silver medal in Singapore National Olympiad in Informatics, you will be given special consideration in the form of a discretionary admission, meaning that you will be asked to come for interview, and if you are good, they will accept you into the School of Computing for your undergraduate study. Finally, if you win a gold medal in your own national level informatics competitions, like for example, you are from China, you are from India, and so on, and you win a medal, a gold medal from your own competition, then again, you will be given the special consideration of discretionary admission by going through the interview. So these are why the winning gold medal, winning silver medal, winning bronze medal in NOI or IOI is actually important, because you can get into this School of Computing in NUS, which is one of the famous school for computing in the whole world. Right, so now I will hand over to Henry for him to talk about the timeline of how you can enroll yourself in these modules.
Thank you so much, Prof. Tan, and we are really excited with the opportunities in working with SENCE to offer so many more opportunities to students from around the world. So you heard it. So CS0, 1, and 2 will not only help you get into the School of Computing. Later, I'll share with you that you can get practically into any computer program in the world. And these credentials will strengthen your portfolio to help you get scholarships as well. Then the other thing I wanted to mention is that so for the CS0, 1, and 2, we also offer medals to all the winners, and it will be offered through SENCE and the NOI competition. So basically the timeline you can see here is that you can join 2 of the 3 competitions and workshops this year, starting from May 1st until end of May. Okay, likely SENCE group is talking about, will inform us whether they can extend the deadline so that our partners will have more time to recruit students for this very interesting and skill building competitions, okay, that will build up your skills for computing, and also for the NOI that will take place in February and for the first round. And if you meet the entry criteria, you'll be invited to come to Singapore to compete in the final round of NOI. Okay, so for Singapore students, you see the link below May 1st, registrations form.simcc.org. So all Singapore participants will sign up through that link. For students from all other countries, you can go to our portal simcc.org, and then you can see who are our country partners for your country. If your country does not have a distributor, you can contact us at admin@simcc.org and tell us what country you're from, and we will allow you to sign up through our Singapore group so that we can give you the chance to take part in this competition that will enhance your portfolio. Okay, so the contest is on August 11. So we have 2 time slots that you can take at least 2 of the 3 competitions. So the first time slot is from August 11, 1 to 4 p.m. Singapore time is the first time slot. The second time slot is from 7:30 to 10:30 p.m. So that students from the other time zone, like South America, North America, and Latin America can take part in the competition. Okay, so as I mentioned, once you take part in these competitions, the series that we have from SENCE is very, very strong in terms of recognition. NUS is ranked as the top 10 university, top 8 university in the world, and the School of Computing is ranked as the 6th computing school in the world. Okay, so it gives you very, very strong recognition, and students who do well in our program, we will invite them to join our University Global Scholars Program, where later Rahaili will share with you how our director of the UGS program will guide you on your search for the best university to support you, and also in terms of how what colleges, based on your strengths and weaknesses and your passion, you should apply for. And then in-house, SIU, SIMCC and Scholastic Trust Singapore have a very strong partnership with Southern Illinois University, where we have many scholarships available to us. And as you do well in our contest, you'll be inducted into the International Junior Honor Society for free. We are the first honor society in the world that do not charge for membership, and we give you very, very exclusive and very powerful network to help you in your search for your best fit university. And we have also a very, very good work study program where Southern Illinois University, like NUS, is a R1 research university. Okay, so NUS is in the, SIU is in the ranks of universities like University of Illinois, University of Michigan, where they have R1 state research status. And we have a work study program with the STEM Research Center, where if you go to SIU, we will be able to support you with our work study program where, like myself and Rahaili, okay, you will be able to complete your studies with very little financial support from your family, and you can finish a degree. I finished 2 degrees at SIU. Okay, so I'm pleased to announce that Rahaili Machado has been awarded the first Southern Illinois University SIMCC Scholastic Trust Singapore full scholarship to study computer engineering. Okay, so he'll be also attached to the STEM Research Center as a student researcher to enhance the value of his degree. Okay, and Rahaili was also guided by Professor Leffy to also, he was also awarded a $35,000 scholarship from Stetson University. So I'll let Rahaili share with you his journey with SIMCC and how the CS program has benefited him. In fact, we gave him last year a scholarship to attend our first computational thinking problem solving workshop and contest with NUS, and he did really well, earning a perfect score and a certificate of distinction from CS0 last year. So over to you, Rahaili.
Hello, everybody. Hello, Mr. Henry. Hello, Professor Tan. Thank you for inviting me here today. My journey with SIMCC started with the Singa Math competition, where I got the Gold Award. And well, after many competitions, I was invited to attend International Junior Mathematics Olympiad, where I was awarded the overall champion title. It was very good to everybody here in my town and my family. Everybody was happy with that. And I also attended a Yala camp in Singapore when I was invited to join the IJHS GSLC, or the Global Student Leadership Council, that helps running IJHS. And since then, I got a scholarship with UGS program and was guided by my mentor, Dr. Leon Laffey, through all the application process to US. It's a very complex process for Brazilians, but she helped me with everything, every possible step. And also last year, I got a scholarship from SIMCC to join the CS0 course, the first course of the type from SIMCC. And well, it helped me a lot with logical thinking and problem solving. And it made me realize that my true passion is solving problems and thinking about algorithms and all the steps needed to solve something. And it helped me not only with programming or informatics, but also with the math competitions, because I was not looking only for the overview, but I started looking into all the steps, all the particularities of each problem, and learning not only how to understand the problems, but how to create a process of thinking and solving them. So CS0 helped me a lot, and it made me realize that I really wanted to do computer engineering. So I chose to follow my path and do my undergraduate studies at SIU in computer engineering. And thank you, SIMCC, for the Dr. Jared Darn Endowment SIU Full Scholarship.
Okay, so we are going to be Rahaili, and hopefully by the time we finish our recruitment for the SIU scholarships, we'll be bringing another 9 students to SIU, and we need to be in Carbondale, Illinois, where SIU is, by August the 12th. Okay, so the contest is going to be on August 11. We are now working with the Center for International Education at the SIU to find out exactly when we need to reach there. So I think on August 11, we may be en route to the US from various parts of the world where the students are coming from. So I will be awarding Rahaili a scholarship to take part in CS1, so that this will help him prepare for his program at SIU. But we will need to work out the details, travel plans on how we're going to be able to sit down and finish up the contest online with the rest of the other few hundred students that we hope to engage in this very exciting program from SENCE. Okay, so the other exciting thing that I have in line for all of you is that we are also starting to do some very exciting work in cybersecurity with Professor Tan and SENCE, as well as Singapore's National Cybersecurity Research and Development Lab. So I've been given tickets by our partner OSG for GitCon 2024, which is a 2-day hackathon on cybersecurity, where some of the best hackers in the world in cybersecurity will be competing, and there'll also be a conference. So I have 15 scholarships I'll be giving to IJHS Global Student Leadership Council members, and another 35 to the top SIMCC students who have taken part in our contest, especially those who are keen in informatics competitions. I will be naming by Wednesday the 35 students I'll be giving scholarships to. So this conference and competition is worth about over 1,000 Sing dollars. Obviously, you can't compete, but you'll be there to watch the event and hopefully pick up some new skills in cybersecurity. And very shortly, within the next 2 weeks, I'll be running another sharing session on how SIMCC is going to help you to become a cybersecurity professional and to take up university studies in cybersecurity through our partnership with SENCE and the National Cybersecurity Agency. Okay, so I have another 15 scholarships to give out to our top students for CS Course 1. So I will be releasing that on Facebook by this Wednesday. So Rahaili and I are compiling the list of scholars who will be awarded this special scholarship that will take part in one of the contests. Hopefully, you can become our next UGS and or SIU scholar to attend university through support from Scholastic Trust Singapore and our various partners such as SENCE. So the way to earn all these scholarships is very, very simple. SIMCC has got very, very good competitions. And also we are partnering with top universities around the world to offer you not only workshops to enhance your skills, but also programs with certificates from these renowned universities with very strong programs to increase also the recognition for you so that you can strengthen your portfolio. And as you apply to some of the best fit universities and you get support from Professor Leffy through our UGS program, you can get into your dream school. And hopefully we aim to help you to get a scholarship to enter your dream school so that you can fulfill your lifelong dreams and improve your lives through education. So thank you for joining us for this particular sharing session. And I look forward to having many more sessions to give out many, many more scholarships to all our deserving and hardworking students. Thank you.